Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some better melon or ampalaya with eggs and corned beef hash. So anyway guys, I'm gonna show you all the ingredients. Very simple guys, very simple recipe, but delicious. So but not everybody like better melon, but I do. That's pretty much my favorite. Anyway guys, let's start. I'll show you all the ingredients. So here it is guys. Here's our butter melon that I sliced already. And of course our 5 eggs. And our corned beef hash. We have a little some potato in it. And of course our onion, garlic, and tomato. And here's our green onion. So what I'm gonna do with the green onion guys, I'm gonna mix it in the eggs. So we'll see guys, let's start. So let's start. So our pan should be warm guys. So let's put some olive oil, or you can use any oil you like. So now let's put our onion, our garlic, and our tomatoes. So let's just saute this guys for a few minutes, and we should be ready to put our better melon or ampalaya. You know how ampalaya guys is really good for you. Very delicious. It's kind of better, but that's why they call it better melon. They are better. But they are good. It's good for you anyway. So let's just saute them guys for maybe a few minutes and we'll check it out. So while we're waiting for it to saute our onion and garlic and tomato, let's mix our eggs together. And let's just season this guys. Salt and some pepper. Don't forget our pepper. And let's just mix our onion too. So there it is guys. Let's mix it together. Just mix it together guys. So I'm ready for my better melon guys, or ampalaya. Here it is guys. Let's mix them together. And let's just season them guys with soy sauce. And some pepper. And of course a little bit of salt. Since we already salted our eggs, so that should have all the flavors in there guys. And then while this is cooking, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my corned beef with hash. So there it is, our corned beef. Just give it more flavor. And just everything is in there. Yes guys. Delicious already. And then just cover this guys for maybe a couple or 3 minutes. I'm gonna check it out. Look how it's doing. So here it is, guys. And we should be ready to put our eggs. They are quick, guys. They are very quick. Here's our egg. Just pull off the eggs here. Full of deliciousness. Just mix them all together, guys. The eggs can mix all into the better melon or ampalaya. There's guys. Let's just cover maybe a minute. That should be good at that time. Okay, almost done, guys. I think that's done. Let's just transfer it to our plate, guys. It's ready to serve. That's it, guys. So here it is, guys. Let's just season. Let's just garnish them with green onion. Let's just put green onion in the top. And we're all set to try it. So here it is, guys. Our bitter melon or ampalaya with eggs and corned beef. Here it is, guys. This thing that looks delicious. There it is, guys. Let's try it. Let's try it, guys. Super delicious, guys. It's not that salty, and with the rice you're good. Or you can eat it alone. I love it. Well, I better stop. So anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notified on every time I upload some videos. So thank you guys. I'll see you.